Welcome back to Life with Liz. Today I am sharing with you a relaxing speed clean with me after dark. I spent 2 hours before going to bed just getting our kitchen cleaned up, and I also am going to be bringing you some refrigerator cleaning motivation today too, because our refrigerator desperately needed to be cleaned. But you will see that on your own. Also, if you are new, I just wanted to let you know I do a lot of cleaning, organizing, decorating, and DIY type videos, as well as I share a lot of recipes and grocery hauls. So if any of that interests you, please hit that little subscribe button and the little red bell so you know my new videos are out. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And now I'm just going to turn on some good tunes while we get this kitchen picked up enough to where I can start on the refrigerator. So I hope this is relaxing for you, and we're going to get right into it.
When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming, where are you now? I hope you're fine.
So this Fabuloso, which is the purple stuff in my bottle that I'm using on the countertops, that's Fabuloso, and it is almost out. When it does run out, I want to switch to something else. I love how Fabuloso smells and everything, and like how it cleans, but I'm really wanting to get something that's not as toxic. Like, I know that's got to be so toxic. That's probably why it does such a great job. But I would love to know what cleaners you guys like using that actually cleans but is safer. So if you could come down in the comments and definitely let me know that, that would be super helpful for me. And we're just gonna keep chugging along here.
But I won't lie, I still miss you so much. But I don't hold grudge. You had to go. I will save you a space for a dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming,
Now we're going to get started with the refrigerator cleaning motivation portion of this video. So I haven't cleaned this refrigerator out in a while. Like, it desperately needed it. There was sweet tea, which we put honey in our sweet tea as well. So that was stuck under the bottom glass. So you'll end up seeing me take the glass out. I literally had to get a knife to pry up the glass because it was stuck so solid. So gross. So happy to have that clean. But yeah, nasty. So I'm just taking everything out, and we will also go through the food before we put it back and just get rid of anything that is not good anymore, expired, whatever. So only the stuff that we can actually take in is going back into this fridge. but it is gonna look so much better. You can really not tell hardly on camera how bad it is, honestly. It's hard to capture it. I don't know why the camera just doesn't catch everything, but any of that discoloration you see, that's sweet tea. It just looks so much better afterwards. So just make sure you're watching all the way through because you're gonna love the end result. It's so satisfying. Anyways, so I'd love to know when the last time you cleaned your fridge was, because I mean, it's probably been a good 3 or 4 months, honestly, for me. So definitely come down in the comments and let me know how long it's been for you since you cleaned your fridge out. But I'm just gonna turn back on the music and get to cleaning.
Killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay 'cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not.
So I did want to just mention that the reason I'm wanting to make sure my kitchen is all cleaned up tonight is because tomorrow, which is actually today when I'm doing my voiceover, I am doing my kitchen organization video. That's what I'm recording today. So I just wanted to start out with a clean, fresh space before I pull everything out of the cabinets and reorganize it. So, I mean, it's a big job. So one less thing to do before I can start that. So just wanted to make sure that I got it nice and clean. So if you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the little bell on so you know when that kitchen organization video is up. It's going to be a good, very motivating video. So make sure that you are prepared to watch that next Monday. But anyways, we're just going to finish up with the fridge before we start going through the food, put it all back, and I will show you the finished product with all the food back in here and everything.
Getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Killing time, Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. All I do is close my eyes. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose.
Now we have to unload the dishwasher so that we can reload it. I hate the dishes so much. They're just never ending, especially with a toddler who uses 14,000 cups a day. I work from home, so I use 14,000 cups a day. It's just a lot. But I don't really have like a strict routine on it. I just do it once my sink is overflowing and dishes have to be on the countertop because there's too many in the sink. That's about the time that I do the dishes. So is anyone else the same way, or are you guys like rock stars and have these awesome routines where you do it every night or every morning? I mean, goals, serious goals to have a routine for that. So make sure you come down in the comments and let me know. Do you have a routine? Do you fly by the seat of your pants? Do you let it overflow to where they're about to fall off the countertop? How are you on doing the dishes?
So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. 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 Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do.
So now we are just going to reload this dishwasher finally, and then hand wash up the rest of the dishes. I just have some pots and pans and some bowls that are not dishwash safe, as well as my Pampered Chef pizza stone. So just get those all cleaned up and let them dry overnight, and this will all be done in the morning, ready for my organizing video, so everything will be cleaned and ready to go and fully stocked for that video.
With you, hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Come down in the comments and say hi. I hope this gave you all the cleaning motivation you needed today. If you are new, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and that little red bell so you know when my new videos are out. And I will see you all back here on Friday with a brand new video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I hope this gave you all that cleaning motivation. Have a wonderful rest of your week, guys. Bye.